Have you ever felt like the world is moving too fast? Well, what if it just stopped? Right now. Right this second, you're hurtling through space at 1,000 miles an hour. You don't feel it because the Earth is a perfect machine. But if the brakes slammed on, everything not bolted to the bedrock would keep going. And I mean everything. The air doesn't stop. It keeps moving at 1,000 miles an hour. Imagine the strongest hurricane you've ever seen, then multiply it by 10. The air doesn't stop.
Supersonic winds would scour the surface of the planet. Houses, trees, even the soil, just gone in a blink.
And then there's the water. The oceans are heavy and they have a lot of momentum. They're coming for the land. Earth isn't a perfect sphere. It's fat at the middle because of its spin. Without that spin, gravity pulls the water toward the north and south poles. Earth isn't a... We'd end up with two separate mega oceans. No more 7 seas, just north and south. The equator becomes a giant, dry belt around the world. A new supercontinent emerges from the deep. The Earth's crust would feel the pressure too. It's been bulging for billions of years. Now, it wants to snap back. The Earth's Every fault line screams. Earthquakes like we've never felt. Volcanoes waking up all at once. Inside the Earth, the liquid metal core stops churning. And that's bad, because that's what creates our magnetic shield.
The sky would fill with beautiful lights, but they'd be a warning. Without the shield, the sun's radiation is coming straight for us. The sky would...
On the sun side, it's a furnace. The ground boils, plants wither. It's a world of fire. The sun wouldn't rise or set anymore. One day would now last an entire year. 6 months of blazing light. But there's another problem. Without the spin, the atmosphere gets pulled to the poles too. At the equator, the air gets thin, too thin to breathe. But there's another On the other side, eternal night. Temperatures drop so low, the very air could turn to liquid. We'd have to go underground, deep, to hide from the radiation and the crazy temperatures. We'd have to go If you looked up, the stars wouldn't move. They'd just sit there, staring back. The cosmic clock has stopped ticking. On the hot side, the oceans start to boil away. Clouds of steam so thick they hide the sun, making everything a gray, wet hell. And on the dark side, the trees shatter like glass in the wind. Life here didn't just stop. It froze in time. The world would be quiet. No birds, no cars, just the sound of the wind and the groaning of the planet. Humans are tough, though. We'd find a way. But we wouldn't be the same. We'd be a species living in the shadows. It's funny, we take the spin for granted. We think of the ground as solid, but it's only solid because it keeps moving. Every sunrise, every breeze, every season, it's all thanks to a spin that started 4 billion years ago. Be glad the world is still spinning, because the alternative is pretty chilling. Be glad the world...
Stay curious. See you tomorrow.